How to plan a smart outdoor living space before you build it. Plan your smart outdoor space before construction. Designing power, Wi-Fi, and device placement early prevents cable clutter, weak connections, and expensive retrofits later. Plan your outdoor space by zone first. Dining, lounge, cooking, and pathways each need different lighting, power, and Wi-Fi, making installation easier before construction begins. It's hard to visualize how outdoor tech will work together. 3D exterior renderings reveal lighting, placement, and visibility issues early, preventing costly installation mistakes before construction begins. Plan power and weatherproofing before construction. Use GFCI outlets, match device IP ratings to exposure, protect cables, and add surge protection to avoid difficult and costly retrofits. Smart outdoor lighting boosts safety and ambiance. Layer ambient, task, and accent lights, then automate them with schedules, dimming, motion sensors, and smart controls for effortless evening use. Rooftop terraces need careful planning due to limited space and harsh weather. 3D renders help coordinate lighting, power, Wi-Fi, seating, and shade before installation, avoiding costly mistakes. Reliable outdoor Wi-Fi is essential for smart devices. Plan coverage early with mesh systems or outdoor access points and test signal strength before permanently installing cameras or speakers. Outdoor TVs need careful planning. Choose a screen for your sun exposure, position it to reduce glare, use weatherproof speakers, and protect all cabling with planned cable routes.
Go to GearBrain for more information.